Hi, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you the map of Blizzard Island 2018 Blizzard Island. I've got the map for the Android users and for the PC users, for the person who use PC. And yes, now I'll now as you can see here, I've got the map for all of you. So for the Android user, you will start from for all the Android user will start from the center, and then just follow this green line. If you follow this green line accurately, then you will got your legendary dragon easily. Just follow this line for the Android user. Now let me go for the PC. So if anyone is using a PC, they will start from the center only. Just follow this green line for the legendary dragon and you will got your dragon. And if someone playing, yes, if someone want this dragon, so this is for the PC, or there are only 1 2 3 dragons only in the Blizzard Island. So here are all the maps. So I will just pause the video here and watch the whole video, and got your dragon. This is for the Android user map, and this is for the PC users. Just follow this green line and got your legendary dragon. This is for the Dragon City Blizzard Island 2018. If you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the like button and share and do subscribe.